Interior angles of polygon. First off, we need to realize that a triangle is the smallest type of polygon we can have. And what we can do is we can say the triangle is interior angles of 180. So we say that sum of 180 interior angles is 180. Now on a quadrilateral, what we do is we take from one corner, we take a line and draw a diagonal to another corner. Wow, that's pretty ugly. Well, you get the idea. So we take one line and we draw a line from there to there. That's still really ugly. Let's see if we can get a better one. Let's use this one. All right, so we start here and we go down that. Perfect. Now, how many triangles are there? Well, there's two triangles. Two triangles, one here and one here. So we have a line of 180. Now, what we can do is we can say, all right, on a pentagon, we have a diagonal there and a diagonal there, which leads us to have three triangles. Same thing with a hexagon. So we come down here, one, go here, two, and go here, 3. Now we have three lines, three diagonals. We have four triangles. If you look at it, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 triangles. Now, why am I doing this? Well, we come down here to the chart, and we say when we have a number of sides, so 3 sides, how many triangles can we make? Well, a 3-side figure is a triangle, so we can make one triangle, and one triangle is 180. The sum of the interior angles is 180. When we have 4, we can do 2 triangles, and 2 times 180 would be 360. And then 5 would be 3 triangles, 4, 5, so on, so on, so on. What this comes down to, if we look at our pattern, we have 3 and a 1. There's a difference of 2. We have a 4 and a 2, which is a difference of 2. We have 5 and a 3 and a difference of 2. So we can say that the number of triangles is n minus 2. Now, how do we get this number down here? Well, we say each triangle is 180 degrees. So 2 triangles is 360. 3 triangles is 540. 4 triangles would be what? 720? And no, that's not 720. Yeah, 720. And then 5 triangles would be 900. So what this comes out to is n minus 2 times 180. That is how we find the sum of the interior angles of a triangle. Looking at the next page, we can say, so we write down our information here. So n minus 2 times 180. First off, number 1, we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there's 7 sides, which is also a heptagon. Now, if we were to take this and plug it in, we can say 7 minus 2 times 180, which becomes 5 times 180, which not sure off the top of my head, but I'm going to go with 900. That's right, I said that on the last page. So 900. So the sum of all interior angles is 900 on a heptagon. We can do the same thing for a hexagon, which is 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 minus 2 times 180. And this is now 4 times 180, which is 720. So we kind of get the idea there. Now this one right here, number 4, if this ever stops, we can count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is going to be 11 minus 2 times 180. This becomes now 9 times 180, which is equal to 1620. So the sum of the interior angle of an 11agon is 1620. This is the same issue on 5, 6, 7, and 8. What we do here is we know an octagon is how many sides? Well, it's 8 sides. Subtract 2 and multiply it by 180. So 8 minus 2 is 6, and multiply that times 180, we get 1080. So 6 times 180. Whoa, that's a mess. The answer is 1080. So the same thing here. We can do 18. And then this one would be 18 minus 2 times 180. So this is 16 right here times 180. So our answer will be 2880. So the sum of all interior angles. Now if you look at this, you have to be careful because these are all convex. They are full figures. They cannot be falling in on themselves. Now we get to this issue, which is we have the numbers of we have the angles of a polygon, but we have one we do not know. So first off, we need to find out how many sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sides is it? Well, there's 5. What is the sum of the interior angle of a pentagon? We said that was 540. Now, we know that's 540 here. Is this a regular polygon? Well, yes. There's nothing that... Oh, excuse me. That is not a regular polygon. Remember, regular polygon means all sides and angles are equal. Is that true here? No, it's not. They're not equal. Now, to find x, how do we do that? Well, we take all of our things. We say 120, 151, 56, and 90. Add those up. We get 417, 427. We get a total of 427. So then we take 540 minus 427, and we get a total of 123. So the value of x is 123. This is how we do it. X is equal to 123. That is the process of doing that. Now, if you just have, say, a number 9, we notice that this and this line are, it's an isosceles triangle, so this angle over here is 42, and that's 42. So 42 times 2 is 84. So then we subtract that from 180. So 180 minus 84, we'll get, I forget, 180 minus 94, 96. So x equals 96. You do the same thing here. You add up. So 113 plus 87 plus 75. We're going to get a total of these three figures, those three angles right there, is going to add to 272. We know this is a quadrilateral, so there's 360. And then we just subtract it. So we get a total of x is equal to 88. That is the whole process of how to do this. Good luck.